Hello, it's already afternoon, 4 p.m, low tide, and when I'm looking at Agung, looks promising for our plans. There was completely different plan when we planned it yesterday. Then later on I came back from Chandidasa and I got the message that the plan is a little bit changed. Anna wants a day off today, no problem at all. Since we have plenty of time, we are not really tight on schedule. But then I was thinking that I don't want to lose one day doing nothing, and I offered to everyone, said let's go to the Lahangan Sweet, especially a couple of people never been there from our group, and they really wanted to be there and they really wanted to see it, and so I'm gonna bring them there. Вперед! Last 800 meters from car to the... We cannot get up here by car, so that's why we're walking. Usually I'm coming from another side, but today, since we're driving a car, so then walking. I know I've been showing this one already to you, but I'm never tired to look at that. The big cloud came, so hopefully it will go on again, so we will have a nice sunset. And another thing is that every single day when I'm filming this vlog, I'm trying to find these moments like this. Even it's really windy and it's really hard for you to hear me, it doesn't really matter, because the view is the view. It's on one side here, and now I will bring you to the other side. Sometimes I just want to put my camera down and film for, I don't know, all this length of the episode, 10 minutes, and say no any words. Just simply like a time lapse. Since I started this vlog, there's been always this challenge what to show next day. It's a kind of, sometimes I'm thinking that maybe there's nothing really to show, just because simply I don't want to show the same place twice. And then you start thinking that, okay, 2 hours for filming, 2 hours for editing as a minimum. Sometimes I spend a way more for filming and a way more for editing. And I do it every single day. At the same time, people start becoming tired. They are already, sometimes I pretty often I hear from the people they cannot watch my videos just because there are too many of them. They're like, they skipped once, skipped twice. Some people watching only once a week, Saturdays, Sundays, when they have a time. But again, imagine that's more than an hour to watch all these videos. But then at the same time, you're also looking at these views and the views are going down, subscriptions are not going up, and you're kind of like a little bit frustrated. But then I started thinking that actually I'm doing it for myself. And that's something everyone should understand, that everything we do, first of all, we do for ourselves. And if we enjoy this thing, if we enjoying the process, then the people start enjoying this particular thing what you do. And that's the exchange. So they enjoying, they start commenting, they appreciate what you do, and that's the exchange. That's what everyone should understand. You never do it for someone, even it feels like, okay, I'm doing this one for this particular person, but it's not really like that. First of all, you do it because you want to feel good, you want to be needed, you want to, I don't know, you just do it for this feeling that you did something good, and that's why we're doing it. It's getting dark. Hope you can still see me and hear, because it's really windy. Thank you very much for watching. Follow, subscribe, thumbs up, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.